Depression thoughts are getting louder in my head tonight. Whispering I'm nothing, telling me I lost the fight. You're a burden, you're a failure, what are you good for? Those voices hit like thunder, pounding on my door. I took my meds and closed my eyes, waiting for relief, watching storm clouds gather up above my disbelief. And then in physical therapy, trying to stay sane, praying for a little sunlight through this endless rain. So I bought a hot chocolate, a breakfast sandwich too. Funny how a simple meal can pull me halfway through. Must have been what my body needed, you to carry on. And every part of me was feeling weak and worn. I'm wearing this smile. Came back and the damage has grown. Another reminder that this road ain't one I chose. No one here to talk to except my therapist chair. Another week of battles waiting and it hardly seems fair. My back keeps screaming out my name with every bend and twist. Every stretch reminds me of the things I've almost missed. Trying to stay hopeful while the surgery draws me. I'm trying not to drown inside the weight of all this is. Can somebody give me a break? Just a moment to breathe before they will me into healing. Before I finally get some peace, let recovery come easy. Let the stress just fade away. I've been carrying